Have you ever permanently deleted an important photo, video, or document by mistake? I recently faced exactly this problem, and today I'll show you how Tenorshare can help you scan and recover deleted files. A while ago, I accidentally deleted some important files while cleaning up my storage. I checked the recycle bin, but the files were already gone. That's when I realized how stressful data loss can be, especially when the files are important photos, videos, documents, or work-related files. So today I'm going to test a data recovery solution called Tenorshare 4DDIG and show you exactly how it works, step by step. This is designed to help recover lost or deleted data from different storage devices and different data loss situations. There are several things that make it particularly interesting for beginners. First, the free version allows you to recover up to 2 gigabytes of data for free, so you can actually test the recovery process before deciding whether you need the Pro version. Second, it supports more than 2,000 file types, including photos, videos, documents, audio files, and other commonly used formats. It is also designed to work with different storage devices, so you're not limited to recovering files from just one location. And it can be used for different data loss situations, including accidentally deleted files, formatted drives, external storage problems, and other scenarios where your files may become inaccessible. Let's now see how this actually works. You can download Tenorshare 4DDIG using the link in the description. After downloading the installer, simply run it and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the application and you'll see the main recovery interface. Now let's perform an actual recovery test. The first step is selecting the location where the lost files were stored. Here, 4DDIG gives me the option to select the appropriate drive or storage location. For this test, I've created and deleted several sample files from this drive. I'm going to select the same location and start the scan. It now starts scanning the selected location for lost and deleted files. The software searches the drive and starts organizing the files it finds. Depending on the size and condition of your storage device, the scanning process can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish immediately. For this demonstration, I'll speed up the scanning process so we can take a closer look at the results. The scan is now complete and we have the results. This is where 4DDIG becomes particularly useful. Instead of manually going through everything, I can use the available categories and filters to find the type of file I'm looking for. For example, I can look for photos, videos, documents, or other supported file types. And before recovering a file, I can preview supported files to check whether it's actually the file I need. This is a useful feature because you don't necessarily want to recover every file found during the scan. You can first identify the files that are important to you. Once I've found the files I want, I simply select them and choose the recovery option. One important thing to remember when recovering deleted data is that you should avoid saving the recovered files back to the same location whenever possible. So for this demonstration, I'm going to choose a different destination drive. I'll start the recovery process, and once it's finished, I can open the destination folder and verify the recovered files. What I also like about this is that it's not limited to one specific type of data loss. According to Tenorshare, it can be used in situations such as accidental deletion, formatting, operating system problems, hard drive issues, and problems with external storage. It also supports recovery across different storage devices and more than 2,000 file types. So, whether you're trying to recover a deleted photo, video, document, or another supported file, you can use the same basic recovery workflow. So, if you've accidentally deleted important photos, videos, documents, or other files, Tenorshare 4DDIG is definitely worth trying. You can download the free version using the link I've provided in the description and test the recovery yourself. And if you decide to purchase the Pro version, get 20% off when you order now. I've also added the download link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.